Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Honeywell 360 surround water not working, power, fuse and overheat troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the power supply, turn off the heater and unplug it, then plug the heater into a working wall outlet. If it doesn't turn on, plug another device into the same outlet to make sure the outlet works. If the outlet has no power, reset the circuit breaker or use a different outlet. Then plug the heater back in and turn it on again. Second one is reset the heater after overheating. Turn the heater off, then unplug it from the power outlet. Let it cool down for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove anything blocking the front or back air vents. Then plug the heater back in and turn it on. Third one is check the tip over safety switch. Place the heater on a flat solid surface, then make sure it is standing completely upright. If it is tipped over, set it upright and wait a few seconds. Then turn the heater back on. Fourth one is perform a simple reset. Turn the heater off, then unplug it for 10 minutes. Plug it back into a wall outlet, then turn it on and check if it works normally. Fifth one is clean the air vent. Unplug the heater, then use a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust from the air vent. Make sure nothing is blocking the airflow. Plug the heater back in and test it. Thanks for watching.